Alright guys, Jack here, JBF Music and Guitar Lessons. So I'm going to give you a couple slowed down licks here. And let's vary that a bit. Something like... And another bendy one, let's go. Standardize this a bit more if you're just getting to grips with it. Let's do a trill lick. And we'll just take that down the shape, right? Bit of speed on it. And like, if you play this and you mess up a bit, that's ideal because you want it to be randomized, like... You know, so you take a basic shape, get a feel for that, and then just start to mess about with it. So Trem picking some classic things he does. So picking these notes. He also quite likes to do it down here. Some of the open string stuff we looked at already, so we can just recap those though. And the shapes tell you what, I'll play it in kind of scale form so hopefully you can see it better. So we do one kind of starting on the G string at this 4th fret. And then from here, you might go kind of down the Aeolian. Use that little shape we had from before. To get up here. Then maybe another position shift. And use some legato here. So something a bit like Rainmaker, let's go in the style that. So I'm kind of taking basic ideas. Right? And combining that with the embellished trill, so... And you put the speed on that. And then varying it again, so I did slow that down. And say you want to go down the D string, again we can just use the same scale, the E Aeolian. And he quite often will resolve to the root when he does that. So that shape. And again, just this randomized trilling thing. Sliding between them.